Hello, superstars. Today we're going to read a Saxon reader called Trucks, Trucks, Trucks. Follow along with my finger as I point and read. And then when we're done, rewind it, turn off the volume, and see if you can read on your own. Trucks, Trucks, Trucks. Written by Gail Clifford. Illustrated by Kiko Motoyama. My truck has 2 black spots. Can you tell what is in the truck? What do you think is in there? Make some predictions as we read. My black truck is a dump truck. It has lots of rocks. The back lifts up. I dump the rocks. My truck is a snack truck. It has 2 bells. I sell snacks. You can lick a pop on a stick. My 2 pets fit in my truck. Flick is tan. Skip has black spots. The 2 stand in the back. I am on a big red truck. Can you tell what truck it is? Do you know what truck that is? Good, a fire truck. All right, let's look at our questions. It says, what is this book about? Tell an adult or somebody in your family what this book was about. What color is the milk truck? Do you remember what color it was? What kind of truck is the last truck? Which is your favorite truck in this book? Why? Why is that your favorite truck? Okay, now I want you to go ahead and rewind the video. Follow along as I pointed. If you read at your own pace and do not want to follow along with my finger, I'm going to go ahead and flip the book now so you can continue to follow the story without my finger pointing, and you can point to the screen as you read aloud at your own pace.